How to log out of Roblox. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Roblox. You'll find this kind of screen pop up after you open Roblox. Click on three dots located on bottom right corner of your screen. After you have clicked on three dots on bottom right corner of your screen, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Scroll down and you'll find Log Out option below Switch Accounts. Click on Log Out and then press on Log Out again. After you're done, you'll simply be logged out of this account in Roblox. As you can see, this is how to log out of Roblox. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time. Thank you for watching.